Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Comcode. In today's video, what we are doing is we are swapping the two values without using any variable, only using two variable. It means if I use A and B, then I'll only use these two. No, I doesn't add any temporary variable or any variable that we have done in past. So let we start it. So start with include stdstudio.as, then main int main int sorry int main. Now print now we should define the variable like a equals to 10, suppose, yeah, and b equals to 20. Let us suppose these two number, yeah. So now what we have to print f before swapping. Swap, yeah. Before swap, a equals to percentile d and b equals to percentile d, and comma a comma b, a comma b. Now again, let us start our formula. It is literally easy. A equals to a plus b. It means what it has been here is a equals to 30, isn't it? It means 10 plus 20, it is 30. Now again, b equals to a minus b, isn't it? Yeah. And b equals to 10. And how it happen is like 30 minus 20 is 10. So after it a equals to a minus b. It means what a has become, a becomes 20. How? 30 minus 10. I think now our problem is solved. As we can see, I think our problem is solved. Now easily what we can write is print f after print f after swap a equals to percentile d, b equals to percentile d. It means a comma b. I think everything is complete. Less or c. Okay, yeah, you can see that here e equals to 10, and you can see that is equals 20. I think web swipe, for making it beautiful, we can add new line. It means we can add this type here, and again we can add here too, so that it looks like this. Yeah, go and play around with this code. I'll give the code in the link below the description, where you can find code easily. And more, an important thing is please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel and help me to grow. A lot of videos coming. I think a lot more interesting video is coming. So please hit the subscribe button down below and enjoy coding with Comcode. Thank you.